Alright, what's up guys? So I feel like trying something new today. Tuck your chin. What I'm trying to do is double punch, so 2 legs off the wall. It's gonna be sick. How hard can it be, right? Yo, it's like so wet over here. Oh, maybe right here. All right, it's a little drier over here, so I'm not gonna slip, but I feel a little more cramped. Oh gosh, it's scary. All right, just one more here. I just need to. It's not even hard. It's good. All right, so obviously my fear is just overcoming. So what we're gonna do is we gotta break through. We're gonna use the dead and bounce hack right here. Simple crap like this, it's like, it should be so easy if I could just commit, but I can't commit, you know? Oh man, I know what's wrong. Gotta focus. Yo, that's not gonna be squat. Screw it. It's almost like a 2-stepper. Does that count? I don't know. Oh man, that was sketchy. Yo, I just reviewed that footage. Oh, rusty. Super happy I got it. Took a little longer than I thought, but you know what? I think that's good enough. Now we should make a tutorial on it, right? It's tutorial time. Okay, I would clean this up right now, but I'm not feeling like it right here anymore. I'm not feeling it, you know? So I'm actually gonna head to the park, trick a little bit. Maybe that'll get me a little bit more warmed up. Then I'm gonna head to the secret spot I like to film some of these tutorials in. Film this tutorial for you guys. Man, look at this. Yo, it's been a while, honestly. I'm feeling slow, man. Alright, such a beautiful day, but I'm gonna have to cut that short after 25 minutes. That's it. Rusty. I can't get this tutorial out of my head. I really want to do this while it's fresh in my mind. So as I'm making the tutorial, I'm literally gonna clean up the move I just learned. But that's good, you know, it's one of those fresh move tutorials, you know, where you just learned it, so you know what's gonna work. It's gonna work. So I hope you guys be interested in this tutorial. Let's go, baby. Alright. So it wasn't the most smooth tutorial ever. I didn't land as high as I wanted to in the example, but you know what? Good enough. Alright, I'm done. Am I just being dramatic? Dang. Alright, so back in the car. We actually just got out of the store. So I'm actually extremely tired right now. I've actually been editing all morning until like about 2, early in the morning till about 2 p.m. editing a skit for you guys. That'll be out this Sunday. Stay tuned for that. Other than that, I'm gonna eat this on the way home. I'm so stoked. I think I showed you guys this bar like at least 10 times, but here's a close-up look of it, all right? Just so you can get it. This is a little hidden gem, only around here. It's time for this. Oh, here's the kicker. So you gotta squeeze it out like this. All right, you don't wanna touch it, especially with dirty hands. Look at this now. You do it like that. There we go. So you gotta flip it. You gotta flip it 90, and then best $4 I've ever spent. It's pretty expensive. All right, what's up, guys? It is the next day, so once again I'm back at it here on the computer. If you guys care to see, I'm editing this skit for you guys that will be out this Sunday as demanded. More Little Brother skits, another one coming for you guys. Sorry I was a little tired in that vlog. However, I'm super stoked that I landed that double punch off the wall. I hope you guys will enjoy that 360 to double punch off the wall slow motion abstract instructional video that I'll post for you guys hopefully next week. Rather than just signing off right now, something just came in the mail that I really want to show you guys, and it's gonna be hilarious. You guys, I don't know what it looks like. I didn't open it. All right, so you're gonna want to see this, all right, for future videos. So let's go check it out. So this was only $25, actually like 24. All right, here we go. All right, not yet. Oh man. Ready? Yeah. Okay. Man, it's oily. I can tell right off the bat, even though I'm no expert at all, that's not like legit. But it was only 25 bucks. And plus, the only reason we're actually using it is for the handle. Ready, guys? Yeah, so it's not, obviously it's not legit, but I'm using this, actually this handle, so I'm actually going to take the blade off anyways, and we're going to try to make something. It's gonna be stupid. Other than that though, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. More videos coming out, more skits, more tutorials, more of everything coming out. Stay tuned, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hope you guys all have a great day. Peace. You all have a good one. I'll see you all in the next video. Look at that. Comes with the stand. Oh man. Yo, if I make might make a video in the future about like top 5 things under $25 Amazon Part 2 gifts. This is going on the list right here. Heck yeah.